Hey guys, what's going on? So I want to know what you guys want me to do with that tractor outside. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna go show you in a few minutes here. So what I'm thinking is buying a parts tractor for the motor, because I already have a transmission on that tractor. The motor blew on that tractor because it burned oil like do tomorrow. I'm probably gonna buy a Kohler, whatever you call it, their engines for probably about $50. It's about 12 horsepower. I'll put a picture in after. But yeah, let's go see that tractor and I'll show you guys what we have plans for. Hold on, guys. Okay, so for the tractor, I was kind of going for the classic look, like muscle car classic. Um, so there's a bunch of bugs back here. As you can see, I was kind of sanding it all down and everything. Now it's just sitting back here. As you can see, and there's no motor. So I want to repaint it. Do fake white walls, stuff like that. Hold on here, guys. So with that, I'm gonna repaint it. I was thinking more of a red and white maybe for Canada, or the Harley Davidson theme, which is already on the CS Craftsman logo. But yeah, so might do that instead. And that seat kind of looks perfect because it's just a pan, but I might kind of put foam on it with vinyl, like my bike, like my bicycle seat. It's leather wrapped, as you can see. Leather, like every other. I got the four-wheeler back there, my dad's bike. I'll get a video of that one day washing it. Probably most likely this weekend I'll be washing it. If you're wondering why I have this, because it's windy. So that's what I want to do with the tractor, stuff like that. So I'll put a photo in the end of the video showing what motor I'm going to be putting in. So yeah, that's it. So just wanted to give you guys an update. So peace. So comment, subscribe.